I was the cause. Wasn't I? Was I? I said something. What did I do? Was it something in my walk? If I had sung a different song? Was it my hair up, my hair down? It was the beach, wasn't it? I ought to not have been there. I ought to not have been at all. Then there would be no cause. Is that it? Answer me! My body bleeding, my spirit ripped open, and I am not the cause? No. That cannot be right. Why would I cause my own pain? That isn't reasonable. You lied, didn't you? What did you tell my sister Procene? What did you tell her? I can still smell her on you. Did you tell her that you violated a sister she gave into your trust? Did you tell her what a liar you are and that I cannot bear to look at you?